Welcome to Module 7 of our Principles of Management lecture series. I am Dr. D.V. Ramana, PhD in Management, and today we are diving into one of the most vital functions of management, that is organizing. In this two-part session, we will discover how managers bring order to chaos, structuring teams, defining authority, and ensuring tasks and are accomplished with purpose. We will explore the organizing process, compare formal and informal organizations, and discuss critical concepts like departmentation, span of control, delegation, and decentralization, with real world examples from companies like Infosys, Google, Amazon, and HUL. This module bridges theory with practice. So get ready to unlock the building blocks that shape every successful organization. This is Module 7, Organizing in Management Part 1. Organizing Process, Formal and Informal Organizations. Brought to you by our channel B School Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy, PhD Official, an initiative of Ramadevi Foundation, Hyderabad, presented by Professor Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy, PhD in Management. What this part covers? It covers 1. Organizing as a function of management. 2. The organizing process. 3. Formal and informal organizations. And 4. Real life examples and case insights. The learning objectives of this part. By the end of this part, learners will 1. Understand the step-by-step organizing process. 2. Identify key features of formal organizations. 3. Appreciate the role of informal organizations. And 4. Analyze examples of how organizing influences performance. What is then organizing? Organizing is a well-defined process. It involves 1. Identification of activities. 2. Grouping of activities. 3. Assignment of duties. 4. Delegation of authority. And 5. Establishment of reporting relationships. For example, setting up of a new retail outlet wherein that retail outlet defines roles for inventory management, sales, customer support, and group those activities, assign the duties, and identify the reporting formats, and also delegate the authority for suitable people. What is formal organization? Structured and established by top management. Here, roles and rules and responsibilities are very clearly defined. It follows hierarchy and command chain. For example, a hospital with district departments like emergency, pediatrics, surgery, administration, etc. Let's have a case study. Infosys, global operations with a layered formal organizational setup. This ensures accountability, consistent processes, and international client servicing. What is then informal organization? Informal organization emerges naturally through interpersonal relationships. It facilitates communication, trust, and collaboration. It can support or resist formal goals. For example, employees creating WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups to share updates informally. The real life insight here is Google. Google's open office culture fosters informal collaboration leading to innovation. So the key takeaways and learnings in this part 1 include: organizing process provides structure to achieve goals. Formal systems create discipline. Informal systems create flexibility. Smart managers leverage both the systems for organizational success. Hope this video helped your understanding of organizing part 1 essentials. Please do like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. That wraps up part 1 of organizing in management. We have understood how formal systems provide structure and informal systems and flexibility in today's workplace. But we are not done yet. Part 2 is where we explore the true depth of organizing through departmentation, span of control, and the dynamics of delegation and decentralization. So click on the next upcoming video, Organizing Part 2, and let's continue this managerial journey together. Until then, thank you and good luck.